and welcome back to my channel. It's Jessa Kowitz here, and I'm back and I'm filming, and I'm 100% sure that I'm gonna edit this video and upload it as soon as possible because I miss you guys. I do. And it's been like 3 or 4 months since I uploaded my last video. And thank you for those of you who are very understanding and loving and caring, especially some of you who are already my friends on Instagram and Facebook. And yeah, thank you so much for understanding that Ate is back to studying. So I'm back to the university studying full-time and with the family too as well. So it's kind of like hard for me at the moment, but I'm doing my best. I'm trying, and actually I'm on a break for a mid-semester break, and I'm taking advantage of this free week to film a video because I really missed it. So in today's video, I created this makeup look over here. It's basically my everyday makeup routine. It's like 5 to 10 minutes basic makeup routine that I do whenever I go to school. It's also what I do for like kinda on the go. And yeah, I just want to share it to you guys. And because I miss filming, please stay tuned. If you want to see this makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Just apply it all over my face down to my neck. And my lips needs to be moisturized as well. And I'm using the Lucas Popo ointment. And I'm gonna spray my face with this Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. And for primer, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'm gonna dot this on my T-zone and then blend it out all over my face. I enjoy this as a barrier in between my skin and the foundation. And I'm also loving this backlight priming filter from Becca. I got it as a free sample from Sephora, and I'm enjoying it. I love the finish of my foundation with this one. And for foundation today, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC40, and then I'm gonna be applying that using the damp beauty blender. I'm gonna dot it all over my face and blend it out. Even if this is a full coverage matte finish foundation, the beauty blender makes it like a radiant finish rather than matte finish, and I love it. And for concealer, I'm using the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline just to kind of cancel out the darkness around my eyes. And also I'm gonna use this to contour my face. And to blend that in, I'm gonna be using my beauty blender once again. And to set that concealer in place, I'm gonna be using my MAC Studio Fix Pressed Powder in the shade C4 so that it won't move. I'm gonna be very light-handed when applying this powder. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna be using that fluffy brush and just blend the powder that's already on my face. And to bring back color on my face, I'm gonna need some bronzer, and here I'm using the NARS bronzer in the shade Laguna. I'm gonna apply this on the hollows of my cheekbones, on my temples, under my jawline, and just a little bit on my neck to kinda have that blended look. And for highlight today, I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustla Baby. I'm gonna apply this on the tops of my cheekbones, on the arch of my eyebrows, and a little bit on my chin. And I'm gonna be using that bronzer once again. I'm gonna use it to contour my nose because as you can tell, I'm Filipino and I don't have bridge. So I'm gonna be using that bronzer to contour my nose a little bit. And I'm gonna highlight on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow using that Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'm gonna be using that bronzer once again to kind of put some color on my eyelids because it needs something so that it would, it looks like I put so much effort on my makeup. After that, I'm gonna be outlining my eyebrows with this NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette. And then after outlining that, I'm gonna fill it in using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Soft Brown. And to set that in place, because I tend to rub my eyebrows a lot, I'm gonna be using this Essence Make Me Brow Mascara Gel, Eyebrow Gel, to set that in place. So even if I rub it, it's still there. And after that, to open up my eyes, I'm gonna be using the highlighter once again from Fenty Beauty, the Hustler Baby, on the inner tear duct of my eyes, because it needs to open up. And to further open up my eyes, I'm gonna be curling it. And then after curling it, I'm gonna apply some mascara. Here I'm using the Lancome Hypnose Mascara in the shade Black. After applying that mascara, I'll be applying some bronzer under my eyes, because they said that it kinda opens up your eyes better if you have something in there. And I'm gonna be wiping off any product on my lips, and then I'm gonna outline it with this Estee Lauder Double Wear Lip Liner in the shade Mauve. And then I'm gonna fill it in with this MAC lipstick in the shade Persistence in matte finish. And then because this is in the matte finish, I wanted to have a little bit of gloss, so I top it up with the Lucas Popo ointment once again. And yeah, we are done. That's my look every single day. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. So this is the end of this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and entertaining in a way. It was lovely to see you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do a voiceover on this makeup video, because it's just impossible, because you boy okay together. So yeah, this is what I do, and I'm gonna show you in 3, 2, 1. Purple ointment for my lips because they're dry. Just a tiny bit.
Hey.
Hi.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you long time.
Love you long time.
Love you big time.
Love you big time.
See ya.
See ya.